Well, hello and welcome to the channel. The weather's great. We're up to 3 or 4 degrees and it's predicted to be slowly getting warmer. I'm gonna take you today down to see the what's left of the ice fishing season, because they hopefully they won't be doing it much longer, or they'll fall through. So let's go down. Welcome everybody. Put your feet up. Have a cup of tea. Enjoy. I'll try and keep it short. I like to make my videos, 10-15 minutes max, so we don't get bored. And I'm just charging up the drone and updating the software, and I hope, fingers crossed, there's no wind today. It looks like a perfect day. The sky looks great. We can get the drone up over the top of the ice fishermen, and I hope they behave themselves. So sit back, relax. Hope you're all safe, and most of you are getting the jab, or the shot as we call it. I've got to register Monday, I think, for the over 65, so looking forward to getting that done and getting our lives back on track. So I'll see you down there, and follow me. Well, here we are down at the Retreat Meadow. I did put the drone up just, but the sun is very, very bright, and it was difficult to fly, to keep an eye on the drone. But I'll try again, and as you can see, they're all out on the ice. It won't be for much longer, because the next couple of weeks it'll start to get dangerous. So I think that's it for today. Stay safe, everybody. Hi to all my subscribers there. Thank you very much for pressing the button. And I met a new one the other night. Hi, Greg. It was good to talk to you if you're watching. I'm just trying to boost the channel. I'm not trying to make any money. This is just all for fun and for enjoyment, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. So that's it from the Retreat Meadow. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.